What's up everybody, my name is Cas and for this week's video I had planned something else, but I stumbled upon a B-roll challenge from McKinnon. If you haven't watched the challenge yet, I will leave a link down below so you can watch the challenge. I'm taking the challenge. Today I'm going to a not interesting place by myself with my camera with two lenses. I'm gonna take my wide angle like this one right now and my 50mm. We're gonna take some B-roll today and it will be awesome. Let's go to a boring place where maybe there's people or maybe not, or anything is going on. I hope. So, let's go. Okay guys, so we're at the intersection of the mall right now. And I'm gonna try here to do my best to shoot a nice sequence. I'm gonna turn around my mic and I'm gonna walk through the things I want to shoot. Okay, so there's the entrance of the bicycles. That will be a great spot to start. And that's the intersection. We have a bench, so we've covered the entrance for the bicycles. There's the entrance for the cars. They're going down this way. And there's the other part. And there's the main parking lot right there. I'm gonna go across the street. Okay, so right now we're on the other side and the sun is going that way. There's the sun, so the light will be awesome on the cars. Behind me we have some flags. Maybe there's an awesome shot in there. There's an eating place. So guys, that's my plan right now and we're gonna take some B-roll. Okay guys, so I'm done shooting the B-roll. I'm gonna do my best. I hope this is gonna be epic. I already find this challenge awesome, a really good exercise. I think I'm gonna do this more to challenge myself. So my advice is, if you're a filmmaker or a vlogger or anything else, try this challenge. Go do it, get yourself better. Learn as much as you can. I'm gonna walk home and I'm gonna stick the whole shit together and here it goes. Okay guys, I hope you like this B-roll challenge. I really enjoyed making it, filming it, challenging myself. Really awesome. Thanks to McKinnon to brought up this challenge. So if you like my video, rate it, thumbs up, consider subscribing so you won't miss any future videos. I will be doing this kind of thing a lot more. So thank you for watching and as always, I'm gonna see you in the next video.